Welcome to this review of the Fotopro NGA-54 Monopod. So it comes in this carry case and it has a carry strap. It also includes this tool, the ball head, and here's the adjustment. Now this is a twist and tighten and loosen adjustment. So you have three of them right here. This is a rubberized non-slip grip where it sits. So you just open these up like so, and then it extends. And then the next one, and the next one. To make the entire section tight, you just tighten like so. And then you just put it on the ground. This is a quality ball head, you could just feel it. It's solid metal. I'm going to mount the camera on it right now. Just tighten this. When you rest it on the ground, it's just a steady way to just take a lot of photography, a lot of pictures, without having to hold the camera in your hands for a long period of time, which can be tiring. And this is a very comfortable grip for your hand right here. It's a soft, comfortable, non-slip grip to hold it, and as you can see, it's nice and steady. Okay, so I'm going to remove the camera. Now a tool is included to change the screw head for a different kind of camera. Now to screw the ball head off, tighten this. And then just turn it. And you can change this screw right here. You can switch it using the included tool. So this would come out and you can switch it if you need a wider screw, so you just put this back in like that. This was a review of the Fotopro NGA-54 Monopod. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.